One, no.
Help Daniel blow his nose to clear up nasal passage.
One,
Warning, Daniel is destroying the house with his sneezing. Stop Daniel from sneezing immediately.
one, no.
Did you give him something weird? Daniel! No, Daniel, don't sneeze, okay? Oh, what should I do? Oh, Arpo, help! Daniel's gonna sneeze again! Help! Oh, there he goes! No, Daniel, Oh no! Hi guys! What are you doing out here sitting on the lawn? Are you guys playing some kind of game? Emma, stay where you are! It's not safe to be near us! Why? Don't you want me to join in your game? Emma, why aren't you affected by the sneezing? But it's just a light breeze. Huh? It's no big deal. That's it. Do I just keep walking? Arpo, what kind of game is this?
Stop Daniel from sneezing by blowing his nose with a handkerchief.
Daniel, blow your nose. Harder. Oh, no, please!